Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to show the network icon on your desktop in Windows 11. By default, desktops only display the recycle bin icon, while system icons like this PC and network are hidden. For many beginners, having a network icon on the desktop allows them quick, one-click access to shared network sites. If you regularly use shared folders or network resources, showing the network icon saves time and simplifies troubleshooting. Let's go through the steps in detail. Open the Start menu and click on Settings. And from Windows 11 Settings page, click on Personalization in the left sidebar. This allows you to customize all desktop appearance and icon settings. On the right side, in the Personalization section, click Themes, and under the Related Settings section, click Desktop Icon Settings. This will open a small window where you can toggle system icons like this PC, network, recycle bin, and control panel. In this window, select the network and click the Apply button and OK. Checking this box will place the network icon on your desktop, allowing you to open it with a double click. Showing the network icon on your desktop gives beginners faster access to shared folders and makes troubleshooting network problems easier. This is a very quick and simple video for beginners. If you liked the video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell icon so you don't miss any new content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.